Welcome back, Cyber Explorers. It's Alfie, and in this video we'll explore together with this step-by-step guide, how to enable or disable Game Bar in Windows 10. So without further ado, let's get right into it. To enable or disable the Game Bar in Windows 10, follow these steps. Using Windows Registry Editor, press Windows key +R, type regedit, and press Enter. Navigate to. Look for the key App Capture enabled. Or navigate to. Look for the key Game DVR enabled. Set the value to 1 to enable the Game Bar. Set the value to 0 to disable it. Using Settings app, press Windows key +I to launch the Settings app. Select Gaming from the menu. Click on Xbox Game Bar in the left-hand sidebar. Turn on or off the switch that says Enable Xbox Game Bar for things like recording game clips, chatting with friends, and receiving game invites. And check or uncheck Allow your controller to open Game Bar. Then from the Settings app, choose System from the sidebar. Then click System Components. Find the Game Bar. Click on the app and choose Advanced Options. Under Background Apps Permissions, turn on or off the switch. You can also scroll down to terminate and click the button to stop the app. Note, in older versions of Windows 10, the Xbox Game Bar is listed in the Apps section, on a page called Installed Apps. To uninstall the Game Bar completely, open Windows PowerShell as an administrator. You can find it in the Start menu. Enter the following command and press Enter. Restart your PC for the changes to take effect. And that's it for today. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, consider subscribing, and don't forget to activate the notification bell so you won't miss out on any new uploads. Thank you for watching. Until next time, see you later.